Okay, so today we are going to discuss about what are fullerenes. Well, fullerenes are considered as modern molecule. They are recently discovered allotrope of carbon. The other best known being the diamond and graphite. Shape of fullerene molecules. The molecule composed entirely of carbon taking the form of either a hollow sphere or a tube. Those fullerene molecules which are cylindrical, they are also called as Bucky tubes or nanotubes. This is the structure of nanotubes of fullerenes. Naming of fullerene. The molecule was named after Richard Buckminster Fuller, a noted architect who popularized the geodesic dome. Yes, shape. The shape is the same as that of a soccer ball. 60 carbon atoms are arranged as 12 pentagons and 20 hexagons. This shape is called as truncated icosahedron. This is the structure of fullerenes, hollow sphere. The most symmetrical molecule, C60 molecule, is the highly symmetrical. They have got 120 symmetry operations, and that's why they are called as the most symmetry operations, largest number of symmetry operations. Properties. Above minus 13 degrees centigrade, these fullerene molecules, they spin freely in their crystal position, so they look like smooth spheres. But at a lower temperature, they start sticking to certain orientation, and their motion more closely resembles ratcheting. And eventually below 183 degrees centigrade, they completely stuck. They were discovered by scientists Harold Coroto, James Heath, Sean O'Brien, Robert Kurt, and Richard Smale in 1985, and they were given the Nobel Prize in 1996 for their discovery. Research on fullerenes. The moment the fullerenes were discovered, a full-fledged research was put on fullerene to see what are their medicinal uses. First was done for their solubility, and this is the chart of the solubility of C60 and C70 molecules in different chemicals like trichlorobenzene, carbon disulfide, benzene, etc. Now this is important. C13 NMR spectrum of fullerene C60 shows only one peak. Only one peak means all the carbon atoms are very much similar. It are similar carbon atoms. IR spectrum shows 4 peaks at 527, 576.5, 1182.5 and 1429. No hydrogen peak is observed. It means C60 molecule does not have any hydrogen. Mass spectrum shows 720. The atomic weight of carbon is 12. So it means they have got 60 carbon atoms. Now, fluorines does not exhibit superaromaticity. That is, the electrons in the hexagonal ring does not delocalize over the whole molecule. In other words, it does not follow 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule. Binzel reaction. The Binzel reaction is a fluorine cyclopropionation reaction to give methanofluorine, and it was first discovered by Binzel in 1993. The bromo derivative of diethyl malonate in the presence of a base such as sodium hydride or DBU, diisobicycloandesine, is used, and then we get a compound methanofluorine. Okay. The preferred double bond for this reaction on the fluorine surface are the shorter bonds at the junction of the two hexagons, 6-6 bonds, and the driving force is relief of steric strain. This is the Binzel reaction. You can see DBH molecule is attacking, and then we got a cyclopropane ring over there. This is the compound after the Binzel reaction, fullerene cyclopropionation. Mechanism, which will there in this next slide. See, in the reaction mechanism, a base abstracts the acidic malonate proton, generating a carbanion or enolate ion. Second, which then reacts with the electron deficient fluorine double bond in a nucleophilic addition. And then third, in turn generates a carbonium which displaces bromine in a nucleophilic aliphatic substitution in an intramolecular ring cyclopropane ring closure. Possible dangers of fluorines in future. It is suggested that the molecule is injurious to organisms. Next, 17-fold increase in cellular damage in the brain tissue after 48 hours. Next, there were also inflammatory changes in the liver and activation of genes related to the making of repair enzymes. It is believed that the buckyballs acquires a toxicity by producing free radicals in water that damage the lipids on the cellular membrane of the animals, destroying the cell. Thank you.